So guys, I'm gonna be playing. What's this? Later I'm gonna be saying. This is ano. This is for. I'm playing this because this is. Wait, I need to remember that thing. This is the backflip for squishy dumpling. This is the backflip for squishy dumpling, guys. Yes, I forget. Let's do. Look at that. Look at trading. Oh, I need to do trading. Bro, where's the trading? Let's go. So the top. Top. Alright, that's okay. Let's jump. 70. I have only one. Oops. Okay. Let's get. Ooh. Wait, my leg is itchy. Wow. That's fun. I'm serious right now. No. I'm not getting that, bro. I'm not getting that. That's just. Oh no, he's gonna be running. Bro, I'm not getting that. So many. Buy some we need buy all the way in the gold RMCP. Guys. Guys. On this red equalizer, I like Walden and Keyless. Keyless and Walden send me some Robux to buy your. My mom gave me money to buy Robux. Look, I'm by Walden. I need Keyless. Give me some Robux to buy you my another arm. Wow. Come. Woo. These trees are mine. What's okay? What? Alright, that's cute. Guys, I don't want to vlog. Because I did money to buy Keyless another to my another arm. This is I'm gonna be I'm have so many Robux. I'm have 10k Robux. I'm gonna be buy baby and baby Keyless. I'm gonna be take off this water. I'm putting another Keyless here. I'm putting that water and I'm gonna be putting Keyless because Keyless is the GOAT, guys. Like for Messi, subscribe to Ronaldo. If I get in that show, you need guys like for Ronaldo and subscribe for Messi. Wait, I'm going to try. I have cheat try. Hey, like and subscribe for Messi and for Ronaldo. Zoom. There. What are you serious? I'm not. I'm serious. Bro. Yes. Yes. Let's say FP here. We're gonna be talk. Okay. What did you want to me place? Go. I need to get the server play button. Guys, yeah. And I'm gonna be brag myself on my bag. And when I'm sleeping, we need to get the golden play button. We stay so many years and months. Okay, Les, important. How much months or years to get the silver play button and the gold play button? Just comment below. Yeah. I am just 7 years old. And I want to be like Keyless and Fulton. And I'm so stupid. Bruh, I'm serious. Bruh. We're gonna be on the same bruh. I'm tired with walking. Oh, I'm gonna be walking in my real life. You hear that? Because I'm outside and I'm jogging with plugging. Look. I'm so fast, guys. Look. I'm just out. Look. When it get step. OG, excuse the damn thing. You know what? I'm in the Philippines. My country is Philippines. You know why? Because I'm born in the Philippines. You know why? Because I'm born in the Philippines. Wait, I'm gonna be speak Tagalog. Hello mga vloggers. Ayan na, namatay na ako. Yeah, that's... Did you say... Oh, I'm dead! Ala, namatay na ako. That's Tagalog speak with you dead. Hala, namatay na ako. I'm gonna be say that. You need to say that because you need. It's so hard to born in the Philippines. You need to talk. With your brother and sister talk English, you're gonna be talk English too. Are you serious right now, bro? That's it, bro. Look at this. Hello. So chatty. Look, the other one. Space here, and this you have this. Look, no space. I'm serious. And bye guys. I'm making some part 2. Bye guys. I'm level 15. Bye.